Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue many gamers face with the holdovers game like Zenless Zone Zero. Linking and unlinking your PlayStation account, whether you are switching account or just want to manage your game data better, this video is for you. If you are if you have ever played a holdovers game on your PS5, you might have noticed that all holdovers game and link to the same account. This can be tricky if you want to switch account to manage different game saves. Let's dive into how to link and unlink your PlayStation account for Zenless Zone Zero. To link your PlayStation account to Zenless Zone Zero, follow this step. Open Zenless Zone Zero on your PS5. Go to the login screen and select the options to link your Hover account. Log into with your desired Hover's account's credential. Confirm the linking process. To unlink the PlayStation account, you will need to use the unlinking method. Link your unwanted Hover's account to the dummy account via Zenshine Impact or another Hover's game. Unlink the dummy account for your PS5. Open Zenless Zone Zero again to the access the login screen. That's it. You should now be able to link and unlink your PlayStation account for Zenless Zone Zero easily. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech related problem solving videos.